Hello students, in the last session we have discussed about various phases or stages of product life cycle. So in that we have discussed 5 stages, that is introduction, growth, maturity, saturation and decline stage. Today we are going to discuss about some of the factors which affect the life cycle of a product. The length of a product life cycle is governed by the rate of technical change, the rate of market acceptance and the ease of competitive entry. So this statement indicates that number of factors affect the life cycle of a product. So as we know, product life cycle means like human being, every product has certain length of life, right, during which it passes through certain identifiable phases or stages. So some of the factors which affect these stages or life cycle of a product, the important factors that affect the life cycle of a product are: first one, rate of technical change, rate of market acceptance or customers acceptance, ease of competitive entry, risk bearing capacity of the firm, economic and managerial forces of the enterprise, protection by patents and goodwill or image of the enterprise. So let us discuss one by one in a detail. First one, rate of technical change. If the rate of technical change in the country is very high, the life of a product is limited, because new and improved products take place of old and existing products. On the other hand, if the rate of technical change is not very high, the life of the product in that country may be longer. For example, the life cycle of products in developing countries like India, where the rate of technical change is not very high, is longer as compared to the life cycle of products in developed countries where technical change is at a higher rate. So that's why rate of technical change is also affected to the life cycle of a product. Understood? So here in the rate of technical change, if the rate of technical change in the country is very high, in that case the life of the product is limited. If the rate of technical change is very low, the life of the product is unlimited. And second one, rate of market acceptance or customers acceptance. If the rate of market acceptance is very high, the life cycle of a product is that in that country will be limited. So if the rate of market acceptance is very low, the life cycle of a product in that country will be unlimited. So this is because the customers will accept new products quickly or immediately. So whenever they introduce or whenever enterprise introduced, and so the existing products will soon have to go out of the market, right? So that's why if the customers accept the new products gradually, the life cycle of the products may be quite long, right? So for example, in India the market acceptance is very low, and so the life of the product is very long. And third one, ease of competitive entry. If the entry of competitors is very easy, the life of the product will be shorter. Understood? As new products will enter the market. Or else if the entry of competitor is not easy, the life cycle of a product will be longer. That means if any government or if any other regulations are there to entry of or to entry of enterprise in the market, then the life of the product or life of the product will be very high or very longer. Understood? So that means here competitive entry is also one of the important factor which affect the life cycle